What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If it's not your first time, I'm Jasmine and this is ImJustTechnical. On this channel, I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up. But in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a dad joke command using StreamElements. If you want to learn how to do that, then keep watching. A dad joke is exactly what it sounds like. It's a dad joke, one of those corny jokes that dads usually tell. I like it, and personally I add it to my stream, and I'll do like a dad joke at the beginning of the stream before we get ready to play whatever game we're gonna play. First off, you want to go to StreamElements.com and you want to make sure that you log in with your Twitch account, and then you want to make sure that you go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left hand side you want to make sure that you go and click on chatbot. If it's flattened out like this, just click chatbot and it'll open this up, and then you want to click on chat commands. Now you want to go and hit custom commands over here, and then you want to hit add new command. As you can see, I already have a dad joke. For the sake of this video, I'll disable that and we'll go ahead and create a new one. So since I already have one named dad joke, I can't use that, but I would recommend using dad joke here. So dad jokes. User level, that just means who all do you want to be able to use it. If you want everyone to be able to use it, then leave it here. Only subscribers, VIPs, moderators. I just leave it at everyone for right now. And for the response, I'm going to have this down in the description box. That way you can just copy and paste it into here. This is what you need right here for this to work. This is all you need. You don't need to type anything else. Now I'm going to hit activate command and our dad joke should be activated. So now I'm going to go over to Twitch and I'm going to go to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/imjustjazzmine. I'm going to click on my profile up here in the top right hand corner, and then I'm going to click on channel and it will take me to my channel. And now you want to click on chat right here. And now we're going to test out our command just to make sure that it worked. I did !dad jokes, not dad jokes, dad jokes. And sometimes it takes a second for it to pop up. Now you can see it says, so a duck walks into a pharmacy and says, give me some chapstick and put it on my bill. Yeah, and also I forgot to mention, before you test this out, you want to make sure that you make StreamElements a moderator for your Twitch channel. Just in case you haven't done that, you want to just go over here and type in /mod space and then whoever you want to mod. So for in this case it's StreamElements. So we're going to type in StreamElements. StreamElements is already a moderator for this channel, but if it's not for you, then now StreamElements is a moderator for your channel. And just in case it wasn't working, the command wasn't working, it should definitely work now. But yeah, that's how you create a dad joke command using StreamElements. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please do me a favor by hitting that like button and the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any other videos you would like to see me make on this channel, leave it down in the comment section below and let me know. And I will see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.